This is Noah and Brady, 6338.
No, it's Gamer Boy 63.
Gamer Boy 6338, and we are opening up a crawl space in my house. Apparently there was porn in it before, and there's also Redneck Stunts 234, and he's drinking water, and I don't think you should have it out because I have no fucking idea. And that crawl space is fucking huge. I opened it up and I looked through the crease, and holy shit. So I think I'm gonna get like some socks. Socks is on my hand. Socks on my hand. Should we have Jesse hold the camera? Because Jesse's usually the camera guy.
Yeah.
Or we can have Brady. Don't pause it. Keep it going. I don't care if we cuss or anything. Stay down. Get down there. View it out. Show them.
Whoa.
We're not doing anything. We're just going to grab some socks.
That is the crawl space, and there's a basement. See, it's gay out, but we're gonna try this as the porch. And we're going in the house.
Socks. Mismatch. Okay, let's go.
Check out Brady's beautiful shoes. Okay.
Diet Mountain Dew. When in doubt, mumble. G sure act like it's Black Ops 3 on me. 116.
We're opening it up.
Krispy Kreme. 2012.
Alright, get the flashlight. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Aw, some fucking cat food. I wish I had that.
That is the
It's
crawl space.
Keep on viewing, man.
Sweet.
There's nothing in there. There's just fucking dirt. Doesn't mean there's a freaking metal rod. That looks like it's a window. Yeah, see, I told you there would be a part that led to the basement. Ow, fuck. What are you doing? It's just fucking Riley and her fat ass coughing.
I put my screwdriver up.
Why the hell are you guys running?
I put my screwdriver up there. I don't know what he's doing, Clay. I can't see anything because of...
Yeah, because we need the fucking flashlight. Come on, we need the cameraman. Here, give him back the camera. You just freaking sprayed bug repel with your shoe. Take your gloves off. Jesse, you're sitting on it. When the hell are you making it spray?
I don't know.
Oh, stop.
Squeeze it against the wall.
Move. It smells like ass. Take your fucking socks off and you record, Brady. Call them fucking webs.